Welcome back to the channel. My name is Soren, and in this video I'm going to be going over with you the top 5 side hustles, in my opinion, in 2021. Some of these might be slightly controversial to you and what you believe. However, I've known people that have been extremely successful in the last year in every single one of these categories. Now, the first category I want to go over is something I have personally seen a lot of success in with my wife's business that she founded and I helped co-found, and that is a social media marketing agency. There are more ways than ever before to make money on social media, whether it's through influencer marketing or selling your own product or service. Now, the one thing that all these new business owners and creators need is advice on how to do that and how to correctly market their products and services. And that is where you can create a social media management or marketing agency and find extreme success in doing that. You can also scale it into a full business, earning multiple 6 figures a year, no doubt at all. The second one I want to talk about is e-commerce. Now, the US is slightly behind other parts in the world, such as China and Japan in this area, but that is why there is so much opportunity, seeing that the US still has the world's largest GDP, and that is the area of e-commerce. E-commerce is huge. It is anything that is sold online, and you've probably heard of Shopify and Shopify stores as well. This is huge because if you want to sell something stereotypical such as candles, you can now reach a larger audience than ever before, and you can even use social media to market it for free. The best thing about e-commerce is the fact that you don't need a physical storefront to sell your product. All you need is a website, and that is much cheaper than paying rent for a commercial building. It also gives you access to a much larger audience than you would otherwise have. And there's also multiple ways you can start your e-commerce business, from doing methods such as drop shipping, where you find a supplier for the products you want to sell and then creating a brand around them. I'm going to make a complete video on branding and e-commerce and your business and why that is so important, and what will actually make your business worth a lot of money is the brand that you develop around your products or services. The third one, and I personally learned this and was told this actually 2 years ago, and I still believe it to be true and have seen it to be true. I learned this from Meet Kevin. He is currently running for governor of California. I always like to throw that out there. We were on vacation together in Puerto Rico. Really didn't roll my R there. Anyways, I basically asked him, what do you think is the best business that you could start right now to make money? And he said starting a YouTube channel. He's even made a video all about this. But it's because you can literally take out your phone or probably use the laptop you're watching this video on right now and create a YouTube channel, basically for free. And if you do have to buy a camera or want to buy a camera in the future, it is a one-time cost. And there's tons of free video editing software out there. Now, if you learn how to utilize YouTube's algorithm and the fact that it is a search engine, it is very easy to grow a YouTube channel even today. Don't look at my channel. I'm not a great example of that because I'm just starting. The fourth one on my list is a ads manager. Probably either specializing in Facebook or Instagram ads. This is kind of like a social media marketing agency or social media management like I went over in my first one. However, this is where you strictly manage ads for existing businesses. If you learn how to manage ads well and can deliver massive ROIs for your customers, you will grow your business very rapidly into multiple 6 figures as well. And it can be extremely profitable for you and also for your customers. Now, the last thing I want to go over kind of wraps into the last 4 things. And if you don't have this skill, it's going to be very hard to be successful at any of the last 4 things I mentioned, unless you hire someone to do it for you. And that is writing copy. And what do you ask is copy? It is everything you see on websites, on the thumbnails for YouTube videos, on bios and captions on social media. It is everything that makes you click that link in bio button and makes you buy products. being able to write really good copy that performs well is huge, and it is a very valuable skill, and you can make a business around it and scale it to 6 figures very easily as well. And that's because it's very hard to be good at, and those who are good, it just costs a premium price because, like I said, it's a very in-demand skill and is a very difficult skill to acquire. And you can write everything from copy from just descriptions for YouTube videos and advertisements to writing the literal copy for TikTok videos and ads as well. It is a very large industry, and being able to write good copy will make or break businesses. So you can see how it is advantageous to contract or hire someone that knows how to write really good copy as well. So that wraps up the video. Those are the top 5 side hustles for 2021. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below of the content you want to see in the future or of any questions you have from this video. It really helps me get my content in front of more people in the algorithm, and I really appreciate you for doing that, because my mission here on this channel is to help change people's lives by providing value in this content and inspiring them to leave their 9-to-5 job to pursue something that they really care about and are passionate about. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.